Currently, we are dealing with a good amount of sunny skies, so break out those sunglasses. Temperatures at a cool 32 degrees, humidity at 55%, and those readings throughout the area pretty much on either side of 32 degrees, which is the freezing mark. And towards the west, that's where we'll find actually below freezing temperatures, 30 in Ironwood, 31 in Houghton, and then going above that freezing mark further towards the east, 35 in Florence and Menominee, 37 in Escanaba, 32 in Ishpeming, and those winds coming out of the west at 9 in Ironwood, 18 in Houghton, 11 in Munising. And that westerly flow with those winds averaging around 10 miles per hour is making it feel more like into those 20s this afternoon. So really make sure to bundle up and stay warm. It's feeling 23 degrees in Marquette, 22 in Ironwood, 30 in Escanaba, and feeling more like into those 30s throughout northern lower Michigan, 34 in Manistee, 33 in Traverse City, 31 in Rogers City. Warmest air is towards the south, feeling like 40 at Detroit. Now, over the next couple of days, we will have a little bit of a dry period, and that has already started for today, and likely to continue throughout the day on Tuesday and even into parts of Wednesday. Now, there is that small chance with that isolated lake effect snow throughout the day on Tuesday as those winds make their way from Lake Superior. So can't completely rule out that small chance of some snow, but we'll keep those chances around 10 to 20%. It's really until the time we get towards Wednesday night, it's really when we begin to ramp up those snow chances ahead of a cold front that's really going to pack quite a punch when it comes to that mercury, especially on Friday. So we're going to be in for some of the coldest air so far this season by the end of the work week. But when it comes to a real warm-up, it's going to be really hard to find over the next week or so. A couple of rain showers in the parts of Missouri and Illinois, then becoming snow in parts of Iowa, all the way up into North Dakota. It's just a quick-moving shortwave, makes its way through parts of the plains. The weight of snow, now that we're entering the winter months, there is a difference between wet snow and dry snow. Wet snow usually occurs when temperatures are near the freezing mark. And it's also heavier, usually can weigh up to 20 pounds, really giving you that workout when it comes to shoveling it out from your driveway. Now, on the other hand, when temperatures do drop closer to those teens, we deal with a drier snow, fluffier, it also weighs less, usually around 5 pounds. So it's a little bit of a reference when it comes to the type of snow and how much it really weighs. Now, for today, snow extending into parts of Montana. For us here, we're going to keep it mostly dry, similar for tomorrow, really just protected by high pressure, just only maybe a small chance of a lake effect. That's about it. So we'll keep a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day on Tuesday, and even on Wednesday, by late Wednesday afternoon, we really begin to enter those clouds, and then eventually that snow Wednesday night into Thursday, and then behind it, that's when that cold air really begins to settle in for Friday. So for tonight, 23 degrees, partly cloudy. Just like I mentioned before, it's that small chance of a lake effect. For tomorrow, that northwesterly wind, similar to what we're having today when it comes to those temperatures, in those 30s, feeling more like into those 20s, 30 in Houghton, 36 in Crystal Falls. And then here's the extended outlook. Mostly in those 30s, dropping down to 26 on Friday. Inland areas on Friday could actually wake up in those single digits.